Nasaan na sila? Anak, nagtataka ka ba kung nasaan na ang mga customer mo from last month? Yung bumili sa'yo last week, alam mo ba kung paano mo na sila maaabot ulit? At yung nag inquire sa messenger pero hindi na nag-push through. Meron ka bang ibang paraan para maka-follow up sa kanila nang hindi ka magmumukhang makulit? Let me tell you about Luisa. She's a solopreneur selling handmade soaps and skincare products. Maganda ang products niya, mabango, natural at maraming gustong bumili ulit. Kaya lang, ang problema, hindi niya alam kung paano siya makikipag-connect sa kanila after the first sale. She only relied on social media, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, TikTok videos. Ginawa na niya lahat. Pero alam mo, yung frustrating part, minsan may post siyang nag-viral. Ang daming likes at comments. Pero after a few days, parang nawala na lahat. Tahimik ulit, walang sales. Bakit nga naman ganon, di ba? Kasi wala siyang paraan para makapag-follow up sa mga taong interesado na sana. Walang tulay para ma-nurture yung relationship. Pag nawala sa feed, nawala na rin sa isip ng customers. Kaya one day, a friend mentioned to Luisa yung email marketing. Email, yung pang-corporate, medyo natatawa si Luisa nun. Tapos her friend smiled. Nako, alam mo na ba, email marketing is for everyone na. Lalo na sa mga small business owners. Kasi kapag may email list ka, sa'yo yun. Hindi mo kailangang matakot kung magbago si Facebook or kung tumaas ang mga ad costs. You can always reach your customers anytime. Luisa got curious, pero honestly, medyo takot siya. Paano ba yan? I don't even know where to start. Paano ako kukuha ng emails? Ano ang ipapadala ko at baka isipin ng customers? Spam. Sounds familiar, anak? Maraming small business owners ang naririnig ang salitang email marketing pero natatakot silang simulan to. They think it's too technical, too complicated, or too expensive. Pero ang totoo, hindi naman. You see, email marketing is one of the easiest way to stay connected with your customers. It helps you stay in touch with your clients even when social media keeps changing. Because with email, ikaw ang in control, hindi yung algorithm. Kaya kapag may email list ka, you can remind people about your new offers. You can share stories behind your products at kahit hindi sila bumili agad, nandiyan ka pa rin sa inbox nila. Hindi one-time customer, kundi loyal customer. Diba, yan naman ang gusto mo? Anak, kung sa negosyo mo, parang laging simula, walang bumabalik, walang tuloy-tuloy na benta, maybe it's time to learn email marketing. And you know who can really help you with this? You will learn from my trusted mentors in email marketing, sina Coach John Pagulayan at Coach Alan Ngo. They have taught hundreds of small business owners, freelancers, and online sellers how to build their own email list and earn through simple, genuine emails that connect with people. At ngayon, may free webinar sila called the Email Marketing Fast Track. No jargon, no technical terms na mahirap intindihin. Simple lang, step by step. Kahit na wala kang experience, matututunan mo kung paanong magsimula. Kaya kung ikaw yung nagsasabing, I don't know anything about email marketing, anak, this one is for you. Kaya kung ready ka nang maghanap ulit ng mga nawawala mong customers, yung mga dating bumili, nagtanong o nag-like ng post mo, this is your chance to bring them back. Join Coach John Pagulayan and Coach Alan Ngo's free email marketing fast track webinar. You will learn kung paano mo mapapanatiling buhay ang connection sa mga customers mo kahit na wala kang malaking budget. Visit the link in the comment section and take the first step to reconnect with your customers and grow your business the smart way. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.